it is advisable to explore all available options. Your forex cards and some US dollars in cash will be invaluable upon your arrival in USA. Platforms like LinkedIn and WhatsApp groups are great for meeting fellow students who are already in the USA, and don't forget a formal outfit, a 2-piece or 3-piece suit. India has experienced a remarkable 35% year-on-year growth in the number of students pursuing higher education in USA, positioning it as the second largest source of international students just behind China. If you are among the students who have secured admission to an American university and are planning to fly to the USA this year, we are here to ensure that you are fully prepared for the journey ahead. Hi guys, my name is Aman and I am one of the founding members here at GyanDhan. Today, we'll go over a pre-departure checklist to help you get ready so you have a great start to your journey abroad. For instance, a pressure cooker in the USA is priced around 100 USD, equivalent to 8,000 rupees in India. Quite expensive, right? The checklist we will discuss today will help you identify tasks and items like this that will be lifesaver for you once you reach the USA. Trust me. Also, don't miss our bonus tips at the video's end on key actions to take right after you land. So settle in and make sure to watch all the way through to catch those valuable insights. Now, without further ado, let's start. The first step is to book your flight tickets. The earlier you book, the better deals you will find, helping you avoid any last-minute hassles. Our campus ambassadors from various US universities have emphasized the significance of planning your transportation from the airport to your campus well in advance. It is advisable to explore all available options. Services like Uber, Lyft can provide you a convenient and immediate way to reach your destination. Additionally, many universities offer shuttle services for students, which can be cost-effective and reliable means of transportation. Make sure to check your university's resources or contact the Student Services Department for information on these shuttle services and possibly book your spot in advance. Opting for a major airport such as New York JFK or another one close to your destination can make your journey smoother. To find the best dates and compare airline prices, websites and apps like Skyscanner, Google Flights are invaluable. They can help you make an informed decision that is easier for your budget. The next crucial task on our pre-departure list is managing your finances, specifically handling currency and currency exchange. It is recommended to exchange your currency in India before departure, avoiding airport exchanges where rates can be less favorable and fees higher. Besides carrying cash, consider a forex card and using forex remittances services like TransferWire or Remitly, which offer cost-effective and fair exchange rates. If you are self-funding your studies or have an education loan, your own bank or lender from you have taken an education loan can provide you a forex card and its related services. A mix of funds on your forex cards and some US dollars in cash will be invaluable upon your arrival in USA. Once there, opening a US bank account such as with Chase Bank, which is popular among Indian students for its no-fee service and mobile banking capabilities, is a smart move. However, explore other banks too to find out the best meet your specific needs and requirement. Moving on to another key point on our checklist is packing essentials. While what counts as essential may vary from one student to another, with input from campus ambassadors at US universities, we have compiled a list of items that are universally important. Remember, this list isn't set in stone. Feel free to adjust it based on your personal needs. First and foremost, organizing your documents is critical. We recommend creating a dedicated folder for all the essential paperwork such as your admission letter, visa and other important documents. It's wise to have 5 to 6 photocopy of each document, as photocopying can be expensive in the USA and you will find numerous occasions where these copies are required. Also, bring along several passport-sized photographs, as having them taken in the USA can be costly. When it comes to clothing, pack smartly. The weather in the USA can get extremely cold during winters. So buying jackets and boots once you are in USA might be more practical, saving valuable luggage space. However, do bring one pair of ethnic attire for cultural events or festivals, and don't forget a formal outfit, a 2-piece or 3-piece suit. Such formal wear is essential for various formal events, and purchasing them in the USA can be significantly more costly than in India. Including some basic utensils in your luggage such as pressure cooker, frying pan, plates, strainer and other steel utensil is a smart move. You might think it is easier to buy these items in the USA, but let's talk numbers. A simple pressure cooker can cost around 8,000 rupees and a frying pan can cost 2,000 rupees in the USA. Price significantly higher than what you would pay in India, often 60 to 80% less. Still, utensils in particular tend to be pricey in the USA. So packing the essentials you will frequently use is a practical idea. On the subject of food, we all know how important spices are to Indian cuisine. The taste just is not the same without our rich spicy masalas. Picking some essential spices according to your taste and need is a good idea. However, it is crucial to be aware of the airport screening processes and the need to declare these items upon arrival at airports. This step is important to avoid potential fines or the confiscation of undeclared item. Make sure to check the latest guidelines on bringing food products into US to ensure a smooth experience at the customs. In addition to kitchen items, there are few other essential worth mentioning. Carry any regular medication you take along with a few over-the-counter medicines for common illness such as fever or cold based on your medical history. Do not forget general hygiene items such as nail cutter and trimmer. Lastly, if you wear glasses, having 2 to 3 spare pairs is advisable in case of breakage. Feel free to adjust this list of essentials to suit your individual needs better. While networking marks the last item on your pre-departure checklist, it's important to note that our guidance doesn't end here. We have a few more essential steps to share with you upon landing in the USA. It is crucial to start connecting with others before you even take off. So by the time you land in the USA, you are not feeling isolated in a new country. Platforms like LinkedIn and WhatsApp groups are great for meeting fellow students who are already in the USA or are also planning to go. This networking can ease the transition, helping you adjust to the cultural differences and settle in more comfortably. As we continue with our guide, we will talk about something very important you need to do as soon as you land in the USA. We put it in our pre-departure checklist so you won't forget. One of the first things you should do is set up a bank account and get a way to pay for things in the USA. This is the key step to help you start off on the right foot. Major banks such as Bank of America, Chase, Citibank and Wells Fargo are widely preferred. It is also advised to inquire with your university about any banking partnerships they may have. Partnering banks might offer benefits like easier transfer and reduced costs. Essentially, you will likely use a debit card for daily expenses, and after obtaining your social security number, consider applying for a credit card, preferably one without any annual fee, to start building a positive credit history in the US. This will prove beneficial for future necessities like renting apartments, leasing cars, and many other transactions. Moving forward to our pre-departure checklist, securing a SIM card and ensuring your mobile phones compatibility in the USA are critical steps. Our campus ambassadors in the USA unanimously agree that finding a cost-effective network provider and checking your phone's compatibility are essential tasks. The focus on compatibility arises from the fact that mobile phones, including popular brands like Apple, Samsung, Vivo, and Xiaomi, operates on a specific frequency that vary from one country to another. There is a possibility that a phone purchased in India might not work in the USA due to these frequency differences, making a compatibility check is a must. While you might opt for international roaming with your current SIM card during the initial weeks of your stay, it is advisable to look for a reliable network operator in the US such as AT&T, T-Mobile or Mint Mobile. Begin with a prepaid plan to assess your needs, then consider transitioning to a postpaid plan if it suits you better. Additionally, explore students discount or plans which are commonly offered by US carriers to further save on your mobile services. As we close our pre-departure checklist, think of it as your first step towards an incredible adventure in the USA. Remember, preparation today paves the way for success tomorrow. And we at GyanDhan are here to guide you through each step, making sure you are not just ready but excited for what lies ahead. Stay connected for more tips, tricks, and insight to navigating your journey with ease. Subscribe and hit the bell for updates because this is just the beginning. Together, let's make your dream of studying in USA a reality. Safe travel and see you on the other side with more from GyanDhan.